up, you guys? Crocus Cobra here. We are chasing tornadoes today. Let's go. Let's get this thing open. This is a game called Gmod, and in this game we chase tornadoes effectively. Well, it's not actually the game. That's not what the game's about at all. Alright, well, it doesn't matter. So, let's go ahead and hop in our car and let's go for a drive. We are looking for a tornado. Not that we'll be able to find one, which we will, because the tornado siren's just gone off. I've painted my car yellow because I'm awesome, and just like to find the... Yeah, this gas station is a good place to wait for tornadoes. Hop out. There we go. Physics gun. There it is. How quick was that, eh? Let's keep watching it. Hang on. E. Let's record this shit. This kind of reminds me of that scene from one of Robin Williams' stand-up comedy shows. He's all like, it used to be everyone getting a storm shelter, not anymore. Two fuckers are like, get the video camera, get outside! How's the tornado, Bobby? Just blew my pants off, Bill, keep shooting fucking A! See how this tornado plays out. A real storm chaser would stay this distance from a tornado. It's about to strike, the drive-in's just over there, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's on top of the drive-in. How long is it gonna last for? I don't know, because I'm not the weatherman. Oh, God, sorry. Leo! God! Get off! Sorry about that. My cat, Leo, he's a bit destructive, like this tornado. Leo! For fuck's sake! Stop! God! Stupid cat. He wants to sit on the windowsill, but he's all like, no! Very sensitive. It's just sitting there. Hang on a minute. It just mirrors that tornado moving towards us. Oh, yeah. Okay, now might be a good time to retreat. Get in the car, let's go. Okay, it's gone. So, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you really liked the video, you can subscribe to see more videos like this one. If you didn't like the video, you can piss off.